Welcome back to another video. I wasn't gonna record this, but I felt like I had to. So as you guys know, my car had black seats, but today we're gonna be changing them to the full-blown red interior. Pretty much have the full interior sitting in my garage, but for today, because you know the sun is probably gonna die really quick, not die but go away, we're gonna go ahead and install these ones right here. They look like in really good condition. I got them off Facebook. Really hard to come by, but I think it's gonna really complete the look of the car. As you guys know, we do have the red rims. So now imagine with the full-blown red interior. Oh man, I can't wait. I hope you guys are excited as I am. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these seats because obviously I don't know who had them before I did. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them really quick and start really disassembling my interior. Never disassembled my interior before, but it's a first for everybody. So I'm gonna go see how that goes. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. Follow me on Instagram. And with that being said, let's get right into it. As I was cleaning these, I noticed that there's some glass like in between like the crevice. So I think that this car was involved in an accident where the glass shattered, because I keep finding little tiny bits of glass. But other than that, I mean, they look like they're in good condition for the most part. And this is gonna continue doing this. From what I've seen in the videos, they just pretty much lift this up and it should come out. I don't know, let's see. Oh, that wasn't too bad. And then I gotta do the same on that side. There he goes. There is a bolt right here that we gotta get rid of, which is, I believe it's a T50. All of the bolts that you'll be removing for this, I think it's the same one. I think it's a T50. Okay, there you go. Be careful if you use the wrong size, because hey, if you strip that'd be bad. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put that bolt back right in the same spot so I don't lose it, and that should be it. And now we have half of a seat out. I'm actually gonna be selling these because I don't know what to do with them and I don't really have space for them, and they're in really good condition. So I'm probably gonna be I'm gonna clean them up, post them on Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you want black seats for your car. I'll probably be selling them to one of you guys or something like that, but in the meantime we're gonna put it aside. I honestly don't know if it's necessary to really take this seatbelt off, but I'm just doing it. I don't know, get it out the way a little easier. It's not that hard to put back in there, so make it easier on yourself. These seats have a little clip right here on the top that in order for the seat to come out, you have to press on this. You're gonna have to use like a little pick tool, press on that and pull. If you try to pull without pressing on that, you're just gonna be struggling there for hours and it's not gonna come out, and you don't want to really break this. So just press on it with something as you're pulling and then it will come out easy. The bottom part is just you pull up and out, and that's it. Okay, I took it out of the little socket. Then I'm gonna pull on this one now, upwards and out. There he goes. Okay, boom. Hard as hell, boy. I can't even see it. Oh shit. Oh, I just found something new. So it turns out that you can just remove this freaking little trim piece here, and then you're actually able to see the clip that I'm trying to show you guys. Now you don't even need a trim tool. All you gotta do is press and it comes out. You gotta be kidding me. Wow, I struggled all that for nothing. Unbelievable. The heck, Grandpa?
Damn, babe, them elbows is ashy. Can I zoom in on them?
No. There goes this one.
And out she goes.
This is so heavy. Guys, so I messed up. As you guys can see, I went ahead and threw on the little side things on first without realizing that you actually have to put this part in first, because there is a bolt behind this that holds onto these seats. With that being said, now I gotta come back and remove these to bolt it. I'm gonna see if I can put them on without having to take them completely off, but yeah, no good. Honestly, it is doable to do it by yourself, but having a second hand definitely helps. And this is not working now because I can't see.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. You installed the first half of the back. How easy was it on a scale of 1 to 10? Or how difficult?
It's not hard. It's just annoying. This is not hard at all. Time consuming for one. Two is just annoying.
What hour is this?
But besides
we came out at 5. It is currently 7:30.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Took me 2.5 hours to do that.
To do this part.
Yeah, the front seats are gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I'm not doing it today. All right, guys. So now it's day 2, and today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be working on the front seats, which I think should be an easier job than working on the back seats. One thing I don't know is if I'm supposed to disconnect the battery, but I think I will once I disconnect these bolts here. There's 4 bolts, I believe, one on each, one here, one in the back, one on that side, and then one on that side. One thing I can say, it's very hard working on a car when you're not hard, but like harder for tall people, bro. See, if you guys didn't know, I am 6'4", and my car is very low, so like getting low is hard. So we just finished taking out the passenger seat. This is a little dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the vacuum really quick, pass it by really quickly, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw on the new seats. Let's go. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, lives forever. I guess through the back seat is the best, because it was not working any other way. Now that we got everything pretty much installed, it's just a matter of putting all the bolts back in their holes, and we should be, I want to say, about 80% done with the interior. I still got to do the door cards as well as this little armrest in the center, but I'll probably do that another day. Been kind of doing it little by little because, you know, there are other things I need to take care of, so I can't just be working on cars all day. As much as I would love to do that, I can't. There's work and things that gotta get done, so I just can't sit outside doing this all day. Just finished installing all of the seats. We got the front seats done. We also have the back seat as well done. Next thing that we're gonna do is the door cards, most likely. We also have to do the armrest little here in the center, but for now, that is all we're gonna do today. We'll probably continue this video most likely tomorrow, but for now it's looking good. All right, you guys, so right now I'm changing the armrest that goes in the center. I low-key forgot to show you guys exactly how to do this part, but you literally just pop this out. You can take your hands and pry from the bottom and it comes right out. You don't have to disconnect it unless you want to. I don't think I'm going to. I'm just gonna set it aside like this. So right here we have 2 springs. It has 1 spring in the center. Then you have these 2 little metal clips that go across. What I used was a flathead or a pick tool, whatever you want. You put it against it and you press it out, which makes it pop out a little bit here on the side. And from here, what I'm gonna use is probably pliers. Take this out, remove the other one, and the spring should pop out. It shouldn't take me that long, so what I'll do now after that is just probably install the new one, put the clips back on. I'll probably show you guys that way you guys kind of have an idea, and then that should be pretty much it. And the red interior is almost complete, guys. So at the end of this, I'm gonna show you guys what I have done so far and then what I have left, so stay tuned. And that's how that comes out. It's very simple. Now the next one, the other one. Oh, that's definitely Jonathan. That's definitely Jonathan. Oh, that's Melvin. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. That thing sounds crazy.
Everybody's here?
Yo, that thing sounds nuts. All right. Pide que te estoy considerando, que te voy a poner algo heavy cuando cuadre el punto. Somos los sol como nunca está llamando, la puse 101 y pasó la de yo. Car things.
Slow guy.
What's up? Yeah, you shit fat. Yo, that shit sound crazy, bro. Damn. All right, guys, so now once you get the spring back, all you're gonna do is pretty much place it in this. So it has like a little clip that it goes into on both sides, so it goes into here. Then there's another clip on the other side. You clip it under, And then, hold on. I think I'm doing it wrong actually. No, it is right. So it's like this, like that. This goes in there. And then there's a little clip in the back that you want to clip it to. And you can kind of hear it. It's like under, you won't really be able to see, but you'll be able to just press it in. There's like a little groove. Once that goes in there, then you're pretty much set. And then just put everything, just put this back in. You put the little pins in on the side, which I can show you. So I grabbed the pin. The little rigid looking part is the part that goes in the outside, and that's what goes inside here. Like that. On both sides. There you go. And I actually did this wrong, so I gotta take it out again. I knew I did something wrong. So the spring is actually supposed to go in there, like so. Well, I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what it is, Cardi. Cardi, I'm messing up. Cardi, what am I?
You got it, bro.
It's something. Oh, there. It's like that, and then this goes all the way down somehow. Anyway, I start talking and doing the damn video. I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I'll be back. All right. So we just finished installing it. So this is what the final product looks like. You got the clip right here that goes under, clips in. Then we have the little center area. So now all we have to do now is clip this back in. Very simple, like so. And just push it back in there. Boom, boom. Very easy. And now we have the center console. There you go, red. All right, you guys. So right now I'm gonna give you guys a little view of everything that I've done so far. So right now we have the front seats done. We have the door cards done. It's looking so nice. We got the back seat, and we just finished this center area. We do need to clean it up a little bit, but the car is really coming together. So the last thing we do gotta finish is the center console. I'm gonna probably take a little while to do that, to be honest, because that is the longest process of this whole install. Don't know when I'm gonna do it, but when I do, I'm gonna make sure to show you guys how to do it. I'm sure there's probably a couple videos out there, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Right here we have a couple fast guys. We got a G. Yo, what is it? Is it 340? Yeah, 340, 435, 440,000. I got a Mercedes, something you guys know. I don't really know Mercedes like that. We got an M6. We got an X5. We got a 850. Yo, that's a 8 what? 840, right? And we got an 840. But if you guys like, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.